ngasi Manipur gi Chief Minister N Biren Singh na video conferencing gi khuthangda CM Secretariat Office da Indian SARS-CoV-2 Genomic Consortium INSACO sequencing facility gi sangawagi thauram ama Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development IBSD na sinduna pangthokre thauram asiga mari leinana Manipur gi khakta natana India gi North East region gi sample kaya Imphal gi Takyel Pata Laiba ISBD gi campus ki INSACO sequencing facility da test tawba yaragani Manipur na COVID variant genome sequencing test tawnabagi dama sample kaya mapalamda thabadu haujikti thadaba yaragani haina Chief Minister na wafam kaya haiki.
I'm really grateful to you, particularly to Pulok Kumar Mukherjee, in such a trying time. You have achieved some things to get benefit to the people of the state. It is a pleasure to be a part of today's inauguration function of INSACO IBSD viral genome sequencing facility at IBSD Tagelpat. As you are aware, with new variant of concern emerging as the dominant strain across the globe, viral genome sequencing has become critical in our fight against COVID. Now, recently, out of 60, the altogether 60 has come out as Delta variant. What is taking place in the state of Manipur is very serious. In view of the increasing spread and the possibility of a third wave, Government of India has decided to increase the sequencing effort in the country. It is of great significance and a pride that IBSD Imphal is one of the regional sequencing laboratories approved as part of the consortium of 28 national laboratories to monitor the genomic variations in SARS-CoV-2. INSACO Indian SARS-CoV-2 Genomic Consortium formed under the leadership of the National Center of Disease Control, New Delhi, and coordinated by Department of Biotechnology along with Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, ICMR, and the CSIR is carrying out whole genome sequencing of the virus across the nation.
Jiribam district ki manungsan na laiba dibong awang lekai dagi mioi ama amadi Japanagar dagi mioi ani COVID-19 test tawbada positive oirakpadagi Seksin thawang lokhatpa oina dibong awang lekai amadi Japanagar gi area kharada containment zone ni haina Jiribam district ki deputy commissioner oibata natana district magistrate su oiriba W Malengan ba senglai IAS na ngasi tholakhiba order amagi matung ina lauthokre Masi para 12 the Manipur Epidemic Diseases COVID-19 Regulation 2020 ki makhada containment zone lauthokibani area sing asida miyamna chathok chasin tawbada athingba thamkre kanagumba mioi amana containment zone asida thamliba niyom sing thugaiba tarabadi section 188 of the Indian Penal Code and section 51 of the Disaster Management Act 2005 asigi makhada hairiba mioi adu akanba sairak pigani haina order aduna palli Atopa ngasi thokhiba order amagi matung ina hana containment area ni haina hana lauthokraba Sonapur part 2 gi area asi district surveillance officer na yangsilaba matung amadi numit tarani suraba maramna containment area dagi lauthokle haina order asina palli Manipur gi Chief Minister N Biren Singh na ngarang laukthokki bagi matung ina Jiribam district asida su ngasi dagi hauna zumthong khudingda chatuna COVID test tawba haukre ngasi ahanba oina Jiribam gi Chandapur gi ward number 8 da test tawba hauki khun asida sagai manga gi miwai kun rom test tawki hairi Nakal Amaronda District Administration Jiribam Amadi CMO Jiribam gi mieng makhada All Jiribam United Club Association Azukana COVID Task Force Singa Kusamna duna ngasi Ahmedabad ki Madrasa Amadi Maitai Nahak Club MNC Ningthembam Jiribam da COVID vaccine kapagi thauram pangthokre ngasi MNC Ningthembam Amadi Madrasa Ahmedabad ki vaccination Tauriba Mafam Singda All Jiribam United Club Association Azukana Chana Thaknaba face mask amadi hand sanitizer sing yendokhi ngasigi vaccination gi thoram aduda punna mioi chamaga tara rom COVID vaccine kapki ngasi Jiribam district ki railway station da COVID-19 test tawbaga loinana vaccination gi thoram district administration Health Department Amadi Jiribam District Multi-State Worker and Labor Union JDMTWLU Jiribam ga khusamna duna pangthokre pangthokhiba thoram asigi matangda JDMTWLU gi Labor Coordinator Khodam Rajesh Singh na haikhibada Jiribam District Multi-Trade Worker and Labor Union na Jiribam da lairiba tongan ba mafam singda thabak suriba labor singbu union asigi president M Mubi Singh retire SP Jiribam na Jiribam da lairiba labor singbu masa mawufa na ana ayek laitana thamnabagi pandamda hairiba labor sing asida COVID-19 test tawbaga loinana vaccination program si district administration health department amadi JDMTWLU na kusam naraka railway station asida pangthok sabani haiki Federal Government of Nagaland Zeliangrong Region gi Midan Peyu Chief Minister Gaidim Sungpauna Thadorakpa Pau amana hairi madudi Midan Peyu Office na Federal Government of Nagaland gi Zeliangrong Region gi Finance Department asi dissolve tawkre masi Constitution ki matung ina warep asi lawbani maram aduna Medan Peyus na laiba region khudima ki finance ki makok oiragani haina pau asina makha tari loinana Zeliangrong region da lairiba miyam da wafam asi khanganjari haina phongdorakli
For press statement, I, the Medan Peyu Zeliangrong region FGN, hereby inform to all Zeliangrong people that the finance department in Zeliangrong region was dissolved in the capacity of the Medan Peyu office with effect from 8 July 2021. With the permission of the Yajabo, that is Constitution, every Medan Peyu is the head of finance in his or her regions. Therefore, in the matter of finance, I entrust to Naga Army, that is 1st Brigade Western Command, Naga Army FGN.
Side 2 Game Fazogi Manung Sanba Kuki Jati Chahumukna Khundaba Zangnong Fai Khulda COVID-19 Awareness Poster Campaign Selling Digital Amadi NR Mediana Sinduna Pangthokre Thoram Aduga Mari Lainana Panjawbam Lanajit Singh Producer Selling Digital na haikhibada Aikhoina hauzik COVID-19 di chapchaba hidak leitri khangna COVID vaccine kapthongning daba fauri basi thadok biduna COVID vaccine sungsoi soidana kapthok biu loinana SOP ngakning nasi Aikhoi lepa naidana Manipur gi mafam kaya dasu COVID-19 awareness poster campaign asi pangthok sakhini awareness program aduda Khetri Mayum James Singh FEO Selling Digital Amadi NR Rajesh Proprietor NR Media su Sarugyaki ngasi headquarter 21 sector Assam Rifle Amadi Inspector General Assam Rifle iski mieng makhada Jiribam gi kadam talada leiba Assam Rifle Battalion na sinduna Friends of the People of North East ki pandamda Kumasarada chana thaknaba polam sing yenthokre COVID ki kham thengna saitheng phanglaba imung kuntra manga khangatuna seng hawai ata amadi chini ki mateng pikhi waraba matam asida battalion asina mateng pangba sida khunja singna harauba amadi hagalakli matungda su awaba singi mateng pangkhini haina serol asida palli World Maitai Convention ki founding president oiramba Dr. Yumna Mohendrona laikhidabada World Maitai Convention na awaba phongdokre mahak masagi chahi marfu mapan sukre laikhidaba Dr. Yumna Mohendrona ing lisingani drama thoida senkiba Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee of Manipur gi founding president su oiramki Maitai singa Scheduled Tribe list da channa haiduna ingso lisingani taruk amadi lisingani drama panda chatkiba mioi lakh hena yaukiba mass release da su luchingki World Maitai Convention na Dr. Yumna Mohendrobu athoba yalhomini haina ningsingduna leihorani loinana mahaki thawaina ingna sikna leiba oirasanu haina World Maitai Convention gi General Secretary Yambem Arun Maitai na thadorakpa zerol amana hairi